How to accept a pending payment in PayPal. So if you want to accept a pending payment in PayPal, then just watch this video. First of all, for unclaimed payment, if the payment is sent to an email address or phone number not linked to a PayPal account, it is necessary to set up or log in into a PayPal account and claim the payment using the email or phone number. This way, you can fix the unclaimed payments and resolve the payments pending PayPal situation. For new sellers, if you are a new seller or haven't sold for a while, the payment will be pending for a security measure, and usually the new transaction will be released within 21 days. If there are no issues with the transaction, the problem will be automatically fixed as it is. The initial proof of the transaction PayPal will hold and release it when it gains trust in the seller account. Now, if payments under review, if PayPal is reviewing the transaction, it will take up to 3 to 4 days to process the transaction. And when the review is over, the pending payment will be released by PayPal. Now, for resolving disputes or claims, if PayPal payment is pending due to some dispute or claim, then try to solve the issue as soon as possible so that the payment will be released when the dispute or claim is solved. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.